I'm so happy for you. You see that, Austin? It's a gift.
What did you just say, Mom?
Come on, he has all it takes. He's rich, handsome. For the first time, I am so happy with a man after you.
That is because you are two of a kind, Mom.
What do you mean? He's wealthy, responsible, caring. I saw it.
Mommy.
And above all.
Above all what, Mom? Why are you being so persuasive all of a sudden?
Because you're not getting any younger, sweetheart.
No, Mom. You know why? Because you want me to remain here so that you can always have me when you so please.
Again?
Again.
Will you be serious for once and civil?
Mommy, I am damn serious. I am.
Listen, Austin is so perfect for you. Honestly.
Perfect?
Yes.
Oh, is there such a word? Hello?
Quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you.
She not like any bagger, she not like any stingy man when I get nada. She's feeling my saga, now maybe her number one chief rocker. She wants a man who go love her, no be anybody who go hug her. She wants a man who go keep her, no be anybody who go leave her. Oh baby, daddy yo, I be you think say I don't know, baby. I know say I love, and I know say I don't. Oh baby, I be you think say I don't know. Someone that you him up on a moon, I gig it. Baby, oh, baby. Him and Oga digide. If you don't digide, let you know no more like digide. Him and Oga digide. If you don't digide, let you know no more like digide. Him and Oga digide. On your Monday morning, I someone at you, in my Guanamona gig.
Mlienyo wakomonu kita ehiti gomi ya bigi ebute gomi ke ebute gomi ke unafuko ebute gomi ke walumu mama mo ebute gomi ke anya fulu kokilibe ebutego m ike Austin nwa mama ebutego m ike ndị obodo na-afụ ebutego m ike Kimanka imanka ọzọ Kimanka imanka ọzọ ife n'ọlụ ya bụ ego mbute ebutego m ike I must make am no be for mouth na action Austin de onye ọ na-achụze n'alụ ya ndụ ebutego m ike una na-afụ ebutego m ike anya fulu kokilibe ebutego m ike Walumu mama mo ebutego m ike ndị obodo na-afụgo ebutego m ike Walumu mama mo ebutego m ike anya fulu kokilibe
Friday. Why are you quiet? Is anything the matter?
I'm so worried. I just don't understand what is happening in this town. I'm bothered.
You've not made any point. What is it?
How do you mean I've not made any point? Don't you understand why I should be worried? How many are we as friends in this village? 3. One of us left, which is Austin. And ever since then, we've not heard anything, or no one seems to be worried about such. And you're telling me I've not made any points. Are you not supposed to be thinking alike?
If you say you're missing Austin, it's understandable.
How do you
But being worried about someone that left to the city, I don't understand that.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is, let the dead bury the dead. Yes, let the dead bury themselves. Austin left for the city. Yeah, Are you the one that sent him to the city?
Did you just say that? You see, the more reason I say you always talk from the left side of life. Now you can see. Your friend left ever since. You've not heard or seen him. And you're saying he brought it upon himself. You must be very stupid, I'm telling you. Now leave here.
I will say what I want. You're being bothered. Say you're missing Austin, not that you're what is.
As in
I don't
what?
understand.
Miss Austin, as in what? I'm only bothered because I've not heard from him. Say I'm missing him. Is he my girlfriend?
Jane, are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, we cruised around the town, went for shopping. We literally had fun. It was okay.
So now you and your mom are happy.
No, she is happy because she has always wanted me to get married to a rich man. Now she has it, so she's happy. But can I ask a question?
Okay.
Why is it that the rich people find it very difficult to get married to the poor?
That is because poverty and wealth has nothing in common. It is only in Nigerian films that you see rich guys or prince dying to marry a poor village hawker. It's simple.
Anyway, that's by the way. She already has what she wants and I believe she's fine now.
So finally he has proposed.
Proposing to me is an understatement. He has already started making plans of our marriage. Once he returns from Germany, everything happens.
Finally, my sister has won.
She has won.
Your mom.
And she should be happy. Your sister.
Your mom.
Your sister.
Wabu battlefield onye nusi ogoza Dikeh jiramujo weto korobia ebutego mike. Before mlienionu wakomonu kita ehiti gomi ya bigi ebutego mike. Ebutego mike. Unafugo ebutego mike. Walumu mama mo ebutego mike. Anya fulu kokilibe ebutego mike. Austin wa mama ebutego mike. Ndobodo na nafu ebutego mike. Kimanka imankozo ifa n'olu ya bwego mbute ebutego mike. I must make am no be for mouth.
Austin,
Isn't there?
who owns these cars?
Mama, these are my cars.
No, it's not possible. No.
Mama! 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 Get water! Give me water! Water!
Ebutego mike. Unafugo ebutego mike. Walumu mama mo ebutego mike. Anya fulu kokilibe ebutego mike. Austin wa mama ebutego mike. Ndobodo na nafu ebutego mike. Kimanka imankozo ifa n'olu ya bwego mbute ebutego mike. I must make am no be for mouth na action.
What is it? My master wants to see you.
Your master, who is it? I don't know your master. Did I do anything to him?
Oga, I don't like questions. Just go and see him now.
But I don't want to.
Move. Move.
Walumu mamamo, ebutego mike. Ndo bodu na fugo, ebutego mike.
Austin, what are you doing in someone's car?
I know that is your wish for me. But unfortunately, my grace would disgrace you all. These are the least of my cars.
Austin, don't tell me that what I heard is the truth.
What did you hear?
That you now had money and you came back with big cars from the city. I'm on my way to your house to ask your mom if that's the truth.
You keep doubting progress. Let me disgrace you a bit. When I said my grace would disgrace you, I meant it. My grace would disgrace you.
Austin.
Disgrace you all.
Austin, is this all for me? How? Eh?
No, nothing is after me.
So why are you running like a madman?
I heard that Austin is in town. He is not just in town. He is not just in town. He entered with 2 big cars.
My problem with you is that you're always
No, not just with 2 big cars. With men. Following him.
You're always on the left. See how you're always on the left side. When we're talking towards the right, you'll be on the left. Why? From my check-ins, today is actually not a preview. So who are you now fooling?
Which one be a preview? I'm telling you that Austin is in town now as I'm talking to you. With 2 big cars. Even with boys. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay, tell me, when did you come into town?
They say about 2 days ago.
They say.
No, I'm telling you the fact, oh, with 2 big cars.
Are you serious?
I even heard he went to Igwe's palace now to see how they will give him chieftaincy title.
This is completely.
Still not.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you the fact.
So, my Austin will come into town without coming to my house to check on me. No. This is the height of it.
Which one be your Austin? I don't understand. Our Austin.
Forget, you're always on the left side of life. He hasn't been in good terms with you now because you're not talking straight.
Stop saying that. Now we are Austin. When he did this village, now we are Austin. They go bad, they drink. Now we are Austin. They did this village, they do things.
Does that make you his man?
See, I'm going to meet him. Let's go. At the palace.
No. He messed up. I will not. He messed. This is the height of it.
Friday. Level don't change. Austin now is a big boy. If Mohammed did not go to the mountain can actually come to Mohammed. I'm going to see Austin. Hey, Anele, come with me.
Ebutego mike, unafugo. Ebutego mike, walumu mamamo. Ebutego mike, anyafulu kokilibe. Ebutego mike, Austin wa mama. Ebutego mike, ndobodo na nafu. Ebutego mike. Kimanka imankozo, ifa n'olu ya gbego mbute. I must make a note.
How many times have I told you not to allow people come this close to me? Why am I paying you? Can't you charge them?
I'm sorry, boss.
Let this not happen again. Hey guys, why were you rushing on me like that? Why?
Austin, we don't rush you now. We heard you are in town, so we decided to come and see you.
So how did you guys find out that I'm in town? Who gave you the information?
That's what is even baffling me, because Chooks here told me. Oh, I didn't even believe him, because you know how we are now. Based on...
Austin, when I heard that you entered this town, I rushed to your house. But you weren't there. Your mom now told me that you came to see the Igwe for 1 or 2 things. So I now rushed to Frida's house and called him. That's why we are here like this, sir.
Yes, you're right. I came to see the Igwe to discuss with him about my chieftaincy coronation.
Oh boy. Hey, let me see that.
When I heard this, like I said, I did not believe him now. Based on you and I, my bone marrow now. You know how they roll now, we go day together, they run things, they do everything, and all that. So immediately I heard it, that you're in town. I said, no, if you, whatever thing that will bring you into town, I'll be the first person that you will call. I used to even use it to, like, fumble, tell this guy, tell some people that whenever you come into town, I'll be the first person that you will call. Say, guy, see you, holla, man.
It breaks my heart that you are so wrong. That was then. Yes, that was then. I came to discuss with the Igwe about my coronation, and as you can see, I'm heading straight to Nollywood to discuss with him. I don't have time for all this.
Bone marrow.
Bone marrow? What do you mean bone marrow? You see, before I left this village, you've been wearing this shirt. You're still wearing it. See if you can take it. My man.
Why do you choose to break my trust, my friend?
I go work you.
You don't need that money.
You know they take you.
I saw this life be. Austin, they speak grammar for me. He's beginning to speak. What's up? You know, I don't have time for this. I want to go and see the Onowu and all that. Telling me he wants to go and see the Onowu. And for that reason, he doesn't have my time. Me, Friday, when they sponsor our gathering, I mean, they pay for everything what they do. I mean, they bring her out and we they sit down together. Some of them and they reason like blood, like brother. He's now telling me that he doesn't have my time. He wants to go and for his chieftaincy title. Oh, no. This is not out. It's completely out of faith. It's absurd. I'm telling you.
Friday, wait. I'm beginning to get pissed. I go best for you. Since when you spend money, give us. Where would they go and get you back? You don't spend money rich like this. See, Austin don't pay you times 2 or times 4, 5 of the money. Austin has paid you off. What do you mean?
This is the exact reason I still say you reason from the left side of life. See, not the money when he give will be the problem. Like the mannerism. I can just come your own person. I don't have time. I want to go and see Jono for my chieftaincy title. Can you just imagine?
Austin, there is nothing wrong with the mannerism. How does they take the give money? You see? He split the money on you. He now threw my own like this. I don't see anything wrong with the way he gave us the money. See how he took the video on. Jam. He threw it on your chest.
You know what?
See, this is why it is good to reason from your left side of brain.
See, I'm out of here. Because if I get away,
which mannerism again? He threw the money. Then he threw my own. Okay, if you don't want to use this money, I go use them on your behalf. Oh.
Get out. Do you want to go inside?
Ebutego mike unafugo ebutego mike walomu mama mo ebutego mike anya fulu kokilibe ebutego mike.
I want everything that we discussed to remain in the firm. I'll send my contractor to come and check my building project. I need to conclude it as soon as possible. You know my chieftaincy title is coming very soon. I cannot invite my friends to this place. You know, it doesn't look befitting. It has to be in my mansion.
It's okay. I have heard you. But when is the contractor coming?
Let's say tomorrow or next.
Tomorrow or next? It's okay. I will be waiting for him. But you know what? When coming next time, make sure you come with my daughter-in-law. No, I can't wait to see her. I can't wait to see her.
Oya Kiji, why you?
Yes.
When next I'm coming, I'll bring your daughter-in-law, okay? And then, Mama, remember everything we discussed.
So what then?
If you need anything.
It's okay, Mom. You want to call there?
All right, Mama. Call me if you need anything, okay?
Oh my word, look at you.
Honestly, Mom, Austin is a very loving man.
Oh. Are you not happy?
Mom, I'm really happy in this marriage. He makes me feel like, oh God, I don't know how to explain it.
Look at your diamond. My daughter is so pretty. When I tell you I know something that is good for you, you shouldn't doubt me.
Oh, Mom, you win. But the most important thing is that I'm happy.
Of course.
Look at our pictures, very
you
beautiful.
need to be happy, sweetheart.
Very beautiful.
Money makes everything beautiful.
Oh, me.
When you got the money, you've got the whole world.
You win. But these pictures are beautiful, Mommy.
Look at you. See the diamond.
Yes.
Oh, my lovely daughter. I'm so happy for you.
Babe, look well. Oh, very important. Right. Oh my God.
Continental. Blow my mind, yeah. Can I come and get you? Don't be shy, yeah. Don't like things, I'ma get you. Blow my mind, yeah. Can I come and get you? Don't be shy, yeah. Clear your container, crystal clear like an antenna. When I come through, my man, them up. It's a fish with your bandana. Clear your container, crystal clear like an antenna. When I come through, my man, them up. It's a fish with your bandana. Someone again, give me the dana from Polina, and so came on from my cafa, Sabina. I'm missing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But the guineas and working well as stamina. Come again, the move, it's a looking katika. My baby Maluma, Nabaka Shakira. I got my girl looking back up with my diva. Even my queen and Adime Kulatifa. Oh, my God, love it, tell them, your friends and believers. Joy, Betty, Joy, Petty, Joy, Mufasa. It's Tuesday, be my boy, say, look, Kubana. Maybe your two colors come and look at painting. Monty will begin and look at Katie. And you want to be one can't call it crazy. I know go for your hand, I know go keep you waiting. Able to my date, yeah. No, man, calling us, can I come?
Jane, I love this one.
It's really beautiful.
No, my sister will prefer this.
Just check anyone you like.
Mother's daughter.
Hi,
sister.
Mommy.
When did you come?
Not quite long ago I came. You're welcome.
How is your husband?
He's fine. He's okay.
Wow.
So, Mom, I actually brought this outfit for you guys. Anyone you like, you take it.
This is so beautiful. I like this. Oh my word. You're looking so gorgeous.
Thank you so much,
Oh
Mommy.
my God. Austin is even taking more care of you than I ever did.
Ah, Mommy. He's trying. He's a good husband.
Sister, can you see what I'm saying?
Of course I am saying that.
Thank
That's
you,
why I
Mommy.
insisted on the right choice for her.
Okay.
So that everybody will be happy.
Yes, we are happy. Aren't you happy?
I am happy. I mean, my husband is the best.
Yeah. Like I said earlier, what an old man says, sitting.
A young man can never say it while standing on top of an iroko tree. I wonder if you'd be looking this good if you had allowed those lizards you brought in here to take you away.
Mommy, you have won.
Would you be driving those beautiful cars?
I said you win already. You have won.
This is my color.
You like this one?
Obviously. Where will you wear them to? Office?
I will remain
Office
here.
work.
In my office.
If it makes you happy,
no
take.
problem.
this, Jewel. I love you so much.
I love you even more, baby.
I remember the other day at the supermarket,
Austin.
but you almost frustrated me into quitting.
But winners do not quit.
Exactly why I did not. And now, as this Jewel is now my wife.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is beautiful.
I love you, baby.
I love you too.
I don't just understand you. Why have you practically refused to introduce me to your rich auntie or other members of your family? Is it that I'm just good for relationship and not marriage?
John, I don't understand you. I will not succumb until you tell me the secret of your sudden wealth. I don't understand you anymore.
Wait, let me try to understand you. A few time ago, you were just talking about getting married. But now, you are not saying anything about it. What is going on?
I'm beginning to be afraid with the way you spend money these days. Few years back, you were not able to pay your house rent, common house rent. But within few days, money came in from nowhere, just like that.
So what are you insinuating? Is that not progress?
It is. Progress? Yes, I agree with you. That you bought different cars, packed into a duplex within a short period of time. Come, John. Is there something you are not telling me?
You see, this opportunity you are trying to wave away. So many women will jump into this opportunity. But you know what? You will pack into that my duplex with me.
I reject it. Never.
Why?
Because I am not comfortable.
Look, Grace, you have to come off this your holier than thou attitude and embrace the new digital age. Huh?
Ebutego mike unafuko ebutego mike walomu mama mo.
Oh, that reminds me. I have 9:45 morning flight to catch tomorrow for business trip.
Where? Where are you going?
Patakat.
Babe, isn't that too sudden? Please, you have to postpone it.
It's a business trip. It doesn't have to do with me alone. It has to do with all the business partner. And baby, we have scheduled tomorrow morning for it. I just have to be in Port Harcourt tomorrow morning.
Even as much as I'm not happy that you're traveling, I thank God. Because you weren't this zealous when it comes to business before.
All thanks be to God Almighty.
Yeah. So how long are you staying? When are you coming back?
Thursday.
Thursday? That means I'm going to stay in this whole house for 4 nights without you?
Baby, I'm gonna make 4 days look like 4 minutes. You know why? I'll call you every time. Baby, it's business meeting. I have to, okay? And then, most importantly, we have to keep up with the wealth and lifestyle so that we don't have to disappoint your mother. I'm sure you understand that.
I miss you.
I'm gonna miss you more.
So, Grace, Tell me, have you made up your mind to marry John? Sister, I'm confused.
About?
My dear, time waits for nobody. You're not getting any younger. I'm advising you because you're my younger sister. Oh, sister, can we stop talking about John? Eh? Let's talk about something very important. Hey, sister, that reminds me. How is Jane and her husband?
They are doing fine. You see that young, vibrant man? He's every woman's dream.
That sounds exciting.
Very exciting.
Sister, the last time I saw Jane told me that her husband is building 5-star hotel in Abuja here.
That's an understatement. He is importing every material he's using for the building. Can you imagine that? Money. You talk money, you see money.
Sister, you have a good dream, so.
Oh my dear.
Such guy is every woman's target.
Oh, you know he's an importer.
Really?
A big one at that. He deals on all kinds of items. You know, businessmen of these days, they don't deal on a particular item. The specialty is anything that will bring grit to the meal.
But not odd jobs.
What do you mean? You're not business-like. That's why you're talking like this. My dear, as long as their account keeps swelling, that is the first law in business. You need to do business. Come out of civil servant. I don't know what you're doing there.
You love money. Everything about you is money, this money, money.
Stop counting about people's money all the time. Talk about your own money.
Don't worry, I will get there.
I can open a business for you.
I don't want to do business. I'm cool with my
You're
civil.
too lazy. That's just it.
Sister, I'm not lazy, just that you love money so much. Everything about you is money. Take it easy. Why are you making this money for?
Blood.
I don't know who you're making all this wealth for.
What kind of bag is this? And who might be the owner? Or maybe it belongs to my husband.
No matter the quantity, still remains the same. You are right. That reminds me, Grace.
Why are you so bent on leaving? I am staying here all by myself in this big mansion. I don't have any other companion.
Sister, why are you complaining? You still have the megad and the cook. Why are you complaining?
Can I share important things with them? Look at what you're saying.
Sister, I'll think about it.
There's nothing to think about. There's no need paying rent while this whole house is wasting.
Well, you have a point there.
Of course I do have a point. You're my kid sister, a young lady. I'm a woman. I need you by my side. At least I need to look after you.
Sister, no problem. I've heard you.
Heard me as in you're coming to stay with me?
I will. Yes.
Go pack your things.
Wow, I will.
Just do that.
Thank you. Sister, I know I love you so much.
I love you much. But you must.
I will.
Do what I say.
I'm coming with my 2 traveling bags, like a big one.
Honey, I'm home.
Baby, what is it? You don't look happy at all. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Are you sure? What is it? Tell me.
I'm not fine.
Have you seen the family doctor?
Not yet.
Then you should. Or should I just call him right away?
No, you don't need to. I'll be fine. You just got back, just go up, freshen up, and I'll fix your food.
Alright, in that case, I'll be back shortly.
In quest for riches, greediness and selfishness took over you. Idunya mwagi na fufu, kedulu waga balodi. You detest the poor, not believing they can rise tomorrow. Oburo kwenu onye dianata, gadigi dalechi. Chukwu na-ebuli elu, ifuli female nwagi. Anyukwu ajaka. Value everyone you see around you. God uplift. Greediness is bad. It is deadly.
I'm not better.
I thought you said you were fine.
I'm not fine.
In that case, we have to see the doctor immediately.
Not tonight.
Alright, we'll talk much later. Bye.
Who was that?
My school friend. An old school friend.
An old school friend?
Yes. Why?
Which of your old school friend goes by the name JJ?
Jane, your inquisitiveness is becoming worrisome.
It's teaching time.
Alright, I'll call you.
Baby.
Yeah, baby.
Why don't this business dinner of yours involve your wife?
Baby, I already told you my colleagues, they're all single. They consider business too serious to start coming with girlfriends, huh?
Girlfriend? Am I not your wife?
Baby, you are my wife, but the rest of my colleagues, they're not married. Alright, how is it gonna look when I just take you there? They're all sitting, no woman, they're gonna feel somehow. I'll pressurize my friends to get married, and when they do, we all will come with our wives. How about that? Settled?
It's fine.
It's fine. I love you. Alright, take care of yourself. See you soon.
Nafugo ebutego mike Walumu mama mo ebutego mike.
So, how was your trip to Germany?
Well, nice. Good.
Yeah. Well, the consignments arrived Nigeria before month end.
I didn't get my group talk about that.
All right, after you. Some things are better left unsaid. Believe me, the same way I guided you to him is the same emotion I want to guide you out with.
Mommy, what exactly are you talking about?
Jane, things are never the way they seem to be. Sometimes madness masquerades as Rasta. Believe me, I have the strongest of reasons to understand that it was all a mistake guiding you to Austin. You have to leave him.
Austin?
Yes.
My marriage is a mistake?
Honestly.
Well, I'm sorry to tell you this, Mother. I am willing to live with that mistake for the rest of my life. I don't have a problem with that.
Jane, I believe your mom has her reasons.
What reasons does she have? Tell me. She said no to Nnamdi, said no to Ken, and every other suitor that came for my hand in marriage. She blatantly refused every one of them. Later, Austin called along. I refused because I never wanted him. But she pressurized me every hour.